funnest things that I did. The season after it was done in the fall, a tree fell on it.
It was funny, Jenny actually was the one that called me because she was here, I think, when it happened. She's like, don't freak out. But a tree just fell on your cottage, it's gonna be okay. And I was like, oh boy, here we go. So
it destroyed a lot, so then we went to putting it back together again for a second time. And then we had a flood. It threatened my cottage and Tom's cottage, so we built a wall around the perimeter to hold the water back, but just in case. His cottage is lower than my cottage, so we dismantled the kitchen. Everything came out of the cottage and went into storage. So then we put it back together again, and then he had a leak under the sink. It's not been a good journey. So we had to fix that, put it back together again.
So my impression would be that if someone just sort of went and took a look at Carbic, that they might be intimidated at some level because they would think it's somehow going to be out of their price range. So I would encourage people first to not be intimidated by the quality that you get from Carbic, because just because it looks like it's going to cost $1 bajillion doesn't mean it will. Like, they will work with you where you are and where you need to be and where you want to be.
Are our pictures intimidating? Yes, for sure. I mean, the pictures of this cottage might even feel intimidating to people, but the countertops are laminate. The cabinets are from the warehouse, telling you there is a lot of secondhand antique store flea market stuff going on here. And I like that. I mean, that element to me makes it, it elevates anything. I'm always accessorizing from an antique store or, a resale shop. Plus it's the hunt, right? The hunt is fun. And so we do appear expensive, and I mean, we can be expensive, but we also have things in really low-end budgets. I mean, I've helped a lot of friends that know me well that just needed to be down and dirty with some cabinet prices, and we have that ability. It's just most people see what we can do and they want that. So, that if it looks like champagne, it costs champagne. However, this cottage was done on a budget, and there's actually quite a few projects on our website that are more budget friendly. You just wouldn't know it from the pictures because it's the materials and how the materials are put together and how the colors work together. We reuse a lot of what people have. I mean, it's pretty amazing if you just turn over your house and let me move things around. I mean, I can do that and make it look all new, but yeah, give it a shot. Tell us what your budget is.